How to fix AI portrait filter not showing on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you from where you can get that filter that I told you before, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So you have to go to your Play Store or App Store, search for a TikTok. This step is really important because if you didn't update your TikTok, then you may not have all the filters. Click on the update button. And if you don't have an update button, you can follow my other steps. Then you have to go to your phone settings, scroll down, and go to apps. Then you can either scroll down until you find your TikTok app, or you can just click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for TikTok. Scroll down, go to storage, then clear the cache and the data. If you have an iPhone, you can offload your app. After that, you have to log out and then log in again into your TikTok account and check if you now have the filter. But if you don't, I have another method for you. Go to your TikTok app, go to your profile, click on those three lines from the right top corner, then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and go to report the problem. Then you have to go to videos and sounds, which is here. Scroll down, go to beauty, filters, effects, and templates. Then click on can't find certain filters / effects. Now you can follow their steps right here. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear app video cache, restart the app in your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok. Now you can click on no. Our problem is not solved. Then click on need more help. And now you have to type in your problem. You can say, hello TikTok team. I don't have the AI portrait filter. Please solve this problem for me. You can also add some photos with your problem and click on submit. And now you have to wait up to 2 days until they send you a response. After 2 days, you can go to your TikTok app and see if you got the AI portrait effect. Go to effects, which is here. Then click on the search icon and search for AI portrait. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and comment in the comment section down below your questions about it, your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.